you guys ready? Yes. Let's roll. Come on. I gotta
I'm coming to get you!
No! Oh, oh my God, it's so dark in there. It's Jason!
You notice anything about him?
He's got a pretty mouth.
Wow, that was a lot of fun.
It was a lot of fun. I don't like this. I want to go home.
Come on, babe, don't be such a wuss.
Where are we going?
You see that old house there?
Yeah?
Let's go inside. What's going on, everybody? Tyler here with thescarefactor.com. I got Nora over here taking some pictures for us. Pictures. And we are here at the Haunted Town Hall. This is actually Nora and I's first trip here to the Haunted Town Hall. We're in LaFayette, Ohio. Not too far from Lima, if you know where that's at, up in northwestern Ohio. And this is such a cool building. It's actually used to be the town hall of the city of Lafayette here. Also used to be the jail cell. Very excited to get in here and see what's going on here at the town hall. Going to take you guys with us, get a little bit of footage inside the haunt. This is their Friday the 13th show, kind of a halfway to Halloween special here. So this is part 1 of 4 of our Friday the 13th tour up here in Ohio. Parts 2, 3, and 4 will be at the Haunted Hydro, Factory of Terror in Canton, and the Akron Haunted Schoolhouse. So be sure to subscribe here to the channel. We got those videos coming out very soon, if not already. And we'll take you guys along with us as we cover these haunts up here for Friday the 13th. Tell us what's going on here for Friday the 13th. What are you guys doing different?
We're running the haunt in reverse direction, bringing you in the exit, and you finish at the beginning. So it gives it a whole different perspective from normal season for the regulars.
That's the big thing. The regulars think, oh, we know where everything's at, but we take them in backwards, and now we got totally different hiding spots that people can pop out of and they get lost. They think they know where they're at, but when you take them in complete reverse order, they have no idea.
Nice. Well, this is actually our first time here, so give us kind of the rundown of what's going on here with the building and kind of the theme stuff you guys got going on.
The building was built in 1899. It was the actual town hall, the mayor's office, fire station, playhouse,
The original jail cell.
Yeah.
The original jail cell is still here.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's cool.
Nice.
Yeah, so we built it around, because it being the Haunted Town Hall, we wanted to build it around the character. So we built, and we keep everything themed throughout. So being that all the things that the building was, we tried to keep those themes in here. We had a small schoolroom. We have a jail scene. We have, we used to have the mayor's office. We ended up pulling that out to just update everything. And we just tried to keep a theme going throughout and trying to draw in different crazy characters.
and basing everything off of around the highlight of the building being close to the 1920s, right after being built.
Right.
So,
Yeah, so everything stays old and creepy and a lot of antique shopping.
Right. Nice. Right.
It sounds like the actors are really amped up because we can hear
Oh,
it
they're
on
going
everything
nuts up
all
there.
around us.
Yeah. What year is this for you guys? How long have you been running?
this will be our 11th year.
The 11. Yep.
Yeah.
11.
Yep, we just had our shirts made last year for 10 years of fear, and we couldn't believe it'd been 10 already. But
Right.
we've made a change to pretty much every room in the building. So that's every year we try to at least change 2 or 3 scenes, and just because we like to keep it fresh, you gotta change something.
Totally agree.
When people ask, did you change anything? Yes. It
And
was all
that's
summer.
cool you
but
can
yes.
do that in like a per se static building like this, because sometimes people can't really change a lot in buildings like this because they're either historical or like a boat, or they can't move things and change things, so they just kind of sometimes don't. But that's very cool to hear. Yeah.
It is.
All right, guys, we'll get out of your way. Thanks for talking to us.
Yeah.
We're anxious to get inside and see what's going on here
All
at
right.
Town Hall.
Glad you guys came
Alrighty.
out. Thanks.
Thank you.
There's those.
Have you guys been here before? Yeah. Excellent. You don't look like you have. Honestly, yeah. Yeah, step forward, step forward. So, she hasn't either.
He hasn't either.
Oh, get to her. Stop
killing
throwing
on
people
each
under the
other.
bus, man. It's not cool.
This is scary.
No, it's rainbows and unicorns in there.
Yeah.
So this actually was a town hall. And there was Mayor Joseph. And the mayor was a good guy. But like all politicians, he went south. right? He's super evil. He was so evil. Killed his daughter. Gutted her like a deer when she was 9. But a few years ago, and the only reason we know this is they found her in there in the basement. So tonight, and sometimes you can drive by and you'll see a little girl in the window, her face. I'm not sure if that's her or not. I'm just telling you for your own thing. So are you ready to do this? You feel like you got that? You feel like you can deal with the mayor on your own? Let's go. No, not on her own. Oh my goodness. Are you guys ready? Let's roll. Come on. I gotta go in front of you. Good luck and have fun.
Thank you. I feel like I'm gonna need it. There's something up there. Did you see it?
Oh, I didn't. Oh.
Yeah, there was somebody up here that laughed. He took off.
Enjoy this, sir.
I'm gonna try.
Thank you. Look at that.
Come on, Tyler.
Who's Tyler?
I don't know who Tyler is. That is awesome.
What are you doing here?
I'm just trying
Just watch your step.
to fall down the pit. Yeah.
Oh my.
I'm coming to get you.
No! I'm hiding. Haunted Town Hall 1 or a 0.
All right.
Haunted Town Hall. Haunted Town.
It's 2.
That guy looks like he's ready to eat us.
Yeah.
Oh, it stinks. That's not good. Whoa! Holy cow! Oh Oh my god, it's so dark in there. I'm afraid of the dark! Where do I go? I'm afraid to touch anything. I'm not telling you what's right there. This is freaking cool.
Oh, it's leaning.
Yeah. Majorly leaning. Oh, holy crap. Nora's so afraid of the darkness. Ah, and I can't ninja chop nothing because it's such... Ow, it's whispering at me.
It is whispering.
Tyler!
What?
It's dark.
It is dark and it's leaning. Oh.
This is freaking cool. Holy crap. Oh.
Monster.
Where
Go. Oh, there
Stairs.
Stairs.
Come on in. Hell, doing a nice time to be here. Of course, you wouldn't be here at all, right?
Right.
Well, it's Tyler and Nora. How you doing?
We're doing great.
Feeling intestines? Go ahead and squeeze it.
Oh, those are so fresh. Ooh.
Ooh, now smell your fingers.
Yeah.
Smell poo on your fingers?
Yeah, that's where that comes from.
Oh, yeah. And I can't get it back in.
Minor detail.
Just a minor detail.
We're in the door.
Oh, no, not that one.
Don't open.
Are you sure? How about now? She's still not done. They whispered it to me. I didn't know if I wanted to take the... Oh, yep. It's Jason.
You'll be my best friend. Come on. Do you know how I got this F on my cheek?
How'd you get the F on your cheek?
My student, he kept on getting Fs, and I started getting mad. He dug a knife in my cheek and wrote an F. So I pushed him off me and I stabbed him in the stomach. He's buried out back. But then other teacher decided to say, you will write this. But I started tweaking with me and I couldn't write, I will not kill. So then I wrote, I will kill.
I will kill.
Nice, buddy. Yes.
Hold up. This would be really neat in the dark. I mean, it's awesome to see it in daylight, but
So many dead bodies. Why so many dead bodies?
that is so freaking awesome.
Why are you guys talking with me?
They sound angry.
It's always good to knock, right?
Good enough. It's polite for you, David.
I'm a nice guy!
Calm down.
Come on in, don't be shy now. Fuck this sap cap, come on, throw in the body bag. What do y'all doing out here?
You notice anything about him?
He's got a pretty mouth.
I'm about to make that twinkle in your eye go take his eye.
I bet you can
Yeah, come on, let me hear you squeal.
Come on. There we go.
All right,
Now.
go ahead.
You did it. You got it.
Let me hear you
right, guys, we just got out of town hall back here, and wow, that was a lot of fun.
It was a lot of fun.
It's a little more of an old school haunt, but that's very, very good because, like, you can tell as we were going through there, a lot of the hallways are a lot more confined and that sort of thing, which you don't get that safety barrier kind of with some of the more open spaces and things like that. You saw her get scared in there several times.
Well, I'm afraid of the dark, and they had confined spaces, and I had to feel my way through, and the floor's not even either.
Oh,
so
yeah,
you
that
could be
maze.
like feeling your way through there, and it's dark, and then all of a sudden you like drop down because the floor just like disappears, and you're like, what the hell? It is awesome. And it's so dark and confined that the actors are like right here hiding by you, and you don't know they're there. So all they have to do is whisper in your ear, and you're like, holy shit, I didn't know anybody was there.
Some of them were real sounds, like the actors whispering. Some of them were like recorded sounds, but it's still like, where in the heck is that coming from?
I couldn't tell, like the door room, they were whispering from all the doors, and then some of the whispers felt like they were in there with us, so I'm like so confused on which way I'm supposed to go and who's talking, and is that a recorded sound or is it them? Like, it was super, super fun.
Banging on the walls and everything. And then after we got out of the haunt, we did the 5-minute escape room, and that was a lot of fun too. We did not beat it.
We did not.
We sucked.
But it is fun. So if you come, I think their tickets are very, very cheap compared to most haunts.
Absolutely worth it. They're right up here just east of Lima, Ohio. They're only about 15 minutes away from Lima. Lima, I'm not sure how you say it. But definitely worth the trip up here. We're so glad we came. Highly recommend coming and checking them out here during haunt season. That's the Haunted Town Hall. Check them out on our website, thescarefactor.com. You can find links to all of their socials and their website and everything there. So we're gonna head on out to haunt number 2. Once again, this is haunt 1 of a 4-part series here for Friday the 13th weekend. So we're gonna head on out to the Haunted Hydro next. Hopefully we will see you there.
Away.
Yep. Hopefully we'll see you there. Until then, stay scary.